Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Anuradha, and in today's session, I'm going to give you certain important things that you need to keep in your mind if you are going for your SSB interview during the COVID 19 pandemic. Now, in these trying times of COVID 19 pandemic, the world has undergone drastic changes, and the SSB interview is no exception in this case. So, therefore, let's see in today's session what are the new instructions and special things that the candidates need to keep in their mind while they're going for their SSP interview during these times of COVID-19 pandemic. Subscribe to our courses by visiting our website ssbcrackexams.com, and now you can prepare through these courses by sitting at the comfort of your home for different defense competitive examinations. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram page, our Twitter page, join our Telegram group, and to know more about the different defense competitive exams and how you can apply to them, about all the recent notifications and updates about the different exams, you can now log on to learn.ssbcrackexams.com. We also have our mobile app, so now you can also download our mobile app from the Google Play Store. So let's see what is the COVID 19 advisory which has been made use of in different SSP interview centers. First of all, candidates will have to install Arogya Setu app in their phones prior to leaving home station for their selection centers. Screenshots of having green status on the said app will be taken prior to leaving home by the candidates. The same will be checked at the time of reporting at the selection centers. Candidates will preferably not travel from any containment zones. Candidates will ensure to carry all the latest passport size photographs of themselves which are not older than 1 week. They should ensure that all documents, including any affidavit for wrong name or tattoos, etc., are stated in the call up letter are brought along. In case a candidate fails to produce the required documents at the time of reporting, the candidature will stand cancelled and no repeat, no representation will be accepted at any stage. Candidates will not be allowed to go out of the selection center premises for any purposes. They have to carry their own durry, bedsheet, and pillow cover or light bedding, as these items will not be provided by the center. Adequate clothing that will be required for their stay of 2 weeks will be required to be carried by the candidates in case recommended for selection, as there shall be no laundry facilities till the pandemic is over. All candidates will carry their personal face masks, face shield, gloves, hand sanitizers, and water bottles. The candidates are advised to ensure that they do not carry any medication with them, including any generic medicine. Any kind of medical assistance required will be provided at the selection center. There will be a check of body temperature at least 3 times a day during their stay with the selection center. During stage 1, medical check will be carried out at every stage of testing to ensure that the candidates are safe. All candidates are further requested to carry a COVID 19 negative certificate from an ICMR approved lab not more than 2 days old before leaving home. In case he is not in possession of an ICMR approved COVID 19 test report, candidates will have to be in possession of COVID 19 free or COVID 19 negative certificate duly signed by a registered medical practitioner not more than 2 days old before leaving home. Sample certificate should be seen attached in the call-up letter of the candidates. Now, coming to the quarantine policy that many candidates will see in their call letter, all candidates will meet the quarantine requirements of the respective states before their due date of reporting for the SSB batch. Quarantine is not required for SSB Kapurthala, and as you can see, this is a tweet which is by Ravin Thakral, the media advisor of Punjab's CM, and he is requesting And the tweet says that the students wanting to come to Punjab for SSB or any other exam are not required to go into quarantine. They can simply e-register and if asymptomatic can leave immediately after the exam. Also, please visit cova.punjab.gov.in facts to clarify your doubts on any such issues. Also, as per some candidates, quarantine is not required at SSB Bhopal too. But we suggest all the aspirants to contact their respective SSB centers and ask them for their clear quarantine policy. So, coming to the safety gears that the candidates should carry with them during their SSB, here they are: face shield, face masks, hand sanitizers, hand gloves, light beddings, water bottles. Now, as per the documents that the candidates need to carry with them while reporting for SSB, here you are. All the following documents needed to be provided in original and must be brought along with 2 photocopies, each duly self attested by the candidate. Original documents will be returned after verification at the SSB. 10th class passing certificate or mark sheet cum passing certificate or equivalent certificate issued by the board concerned, CBSC, state boards or ICSC. For proof of date of birth, candidate's name and parents' name, that is father and mother. No other document like admit card or mark sheet or transfer or leaving certificate, etc., are acceptable for proof of date of birth. Next, they have to carry mark sheet of matriculation or equivalent, intermediate and 10 plus 2 pass certificate, mark sheet of intermediate and 10 plus 2 examinations. Candidates who have submitted their certificates and mark sheets in institutions for pursuing higher studies must bring a bona fide certificate along with certified true copy of those documents and an original letterhead duly signed by the principal or head of institution where the documents have been submitted. Candidates of final year or semester of graduation degree course has to furnish certificate which will mention dates of final exam and results on original letterhead duly signed by the principal or head of institution and self-declaration certificate for proof of passing. Valid proof of identity with photograph, for example, Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card or passport. No claim or risk certificate. Documents are also required to be submitted in case a candidate has permissible body tattoos as per the appendices mentioned in the call letter. In case of minor variations in personal particulars in the online application, for example, initials in name, spelling mistakes, suffixing of middle name or surname, etc., the candidates are required to submit an affidavit stating the variations in the personal particulars in specific documents and corrective actions taken thereto to be elaborated in details. All the formats have been provided in the call letters of the candidates. Some selection centers also require graduation degree or provisional degree along with mark sheets of all years or semesters showing clearly having passed the degree examination and eligible for award of degree. One copy of call letter or UPSC admit card or candidates belonging to Delhi to bring one valid residence proof with photograph, certificate of not having duplicate profiles or registration IDs, certificates of previous candidature or SSB attempt. Candidates serving in the armed forces are required to inform their commanding officer in writing that they have applied for this examination. Application of candidates serving in the armed forces duly countersigned by the commanding officer should be taken along with all other documents as stated before to the SSB as and when called for the same. Remember, these documents are requested by some of the selection centers and not all. Now, here are some of the administrative instructions which are issued to the SSB interviewees and they have to obey the same. First of all, it is advised that a maximum of rupees 1000 over and above what is required for travelling expense may be carried. No valuables should be carried. Safe custody of cash and valuables will be the sole responsibility of the candidates. No individual will be allowed to go out of the selection center premises. Candidates will strictly adhere to laid down timings at all places. Candidates will not visit testing areas after testing hours. The conduct of the candidates both in the selection center as well as when visiting outside areas will be courteous. Mobile phones will be deposited on arrival and their usage during the stay at the selection centers is strictly prohibited. Now, these are some of the instructions, administrative instructions that the SSB interviewees needed to follow. Now, there are some candidates who always wonder about what are the things, what are the garments that they should carry for the SSB interview. So, if you look into the call letters, you will find the same mentioned in details. So, here you are. Here are some of the items which are needed to be brought for SSB interview by the candidates: dark colored trouser and light colored shirt, brown or black shoes and necktie, which is optional for interview. For gents, one set. For ladies, one set. This may vary from 1 to 2 sets. Suits or saris are permitted for lady candidates. White shorts, t-shirt and sports shoes, preferably white, for GTO test. Again, 1 to 2 sets each for the gents and the lady candidates. The lady candidates may wear tracksuits or appropriate dress for the GTO task. Writing materials like pen, blue or black ink, pencil, eraser, A4 size white papers 10 in numbers needed to be carried by both the gents and the lady candidates. Passport size photographs in light colored dress and white background, 20 to 30 copies to be carried by all the candidates, where the head should cover 25 to 35 millimeter of photo. Photos should not be digitally edited. Toiletries as required, and one lock-in key for safety of personal belongings. As you can see, a note is also given. Tie, blazers or apparels bearing logos of school, academies or institutes, etc. are strictly prohibited. Now, coming to the do's and don'ts while undergoing SSB, keeping in mind the COVID-19 pandemic around, the candidates should wear mask at all the time, and before putting on mask, clean hand with soap and water. Replace mask with a new one as soon as it is damp, and do not reuse single-use mask. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hand with soap and water during verification of documents and prior to appearing for the test. The candidates should maintain at least 1 meter, that is 3 feet distance amongst each other. They should not touch their body parts on any surface unnecessarily. The candidates are also needed to maintain good respiratory hygiene, that is covering their mouth and nose with tissue paper when coughing or sneezing, then disposing of the used tissue immediately in the covered dustbin and washing their hands with soap and water. Moreover, the candidates should inform and seek immediate medical attention in case of fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing. Now, after going through all these instructions which the SSB interviewees needed to follow while they're undergoing SSB interview during this period of crisis, there are some tips that we love to give to the candidates who are going to appear for their SSB interview. So here you are some tips from SSB crack exams itself. First of all, follow the instructions given by the officers at the SSB very carefully. Try to keep yourself safe and avoid any kind of public gathering. Make sure you carry all the required documents as mentioned in today's session and as mentioned in your call letter. Once you are at the selection center, focus only on your SSB interview performance. For any query, reach your respective boards first. So I hope that today's session is helpful for you, for those candidates who are going to attend their SSB interview during the COVID-19 pandemic. There are some things that they need to keep in their mind, some special instructions which have been issued during these trying times. So I hope that going through all these instructions and today's session, this will be really helpful for you to perform better in your SSB interview. If you want to perform better in your SSB interview and in a much more efficient and like a pro, then please order these books which will be helpful for you from SSB Crack Shop or ordering them off directly from Amazon and Flipkart. The links for these books will be provided in the description box below, so you can click on the links and order them off right away. So stay safe, stay alert, be helpful, and don't let anything dampen your spirit. Jai Hind.